How do species survive the impossible? Welcome to Planet Healers. In episode 4, we'll uncover nature's innovators, adaptations that keep life thriving. Adaptation is how species evolve to survive in their environments. It's a desert plant storing water, a polar bear's white fur blending in with the snow, or a leaf insect mimicking a leaf. These traits develop over generations, giving species an edge to thrive, not just survive. What's the coolest animal adaptation you know? Comment below. Adaptations are everywhere. A hawk's eyesight is 8 times sharper than ours, spotting prey from the sky. Mangrove leaves filter salt water and protect coastlines, creating fish nurseries. Even in cities, bats and bees adapt, pollinating urban gardens. These traits aren't just cool, they're critical for ecosystems. In Singapore, urban bats boost city gardens, providing adaptation that works anywhere. Human actions push adaptations to the limit. Climate change heats habitats faster than species can adjust. Deforestation destroys homes. Invasive species like zebra mussels outcompete natives. Some species adapt quickly, but most need time. Without stable habitats, even the best adaptations fail. Coral reefs bleach when oceans warm too fast, but restoration helps. We can help species adapt, creating wildlife corridors by linking green spaces with native plants. Restoring degraded land through community reforestation. Reducing light pollution to protect nocturnal animals. Supporting marine protected areas to save coral reefs, advocating for climate-friendly policies like renewable energy. These actions give species the space and time to evolve. What's one way you'll help nature adapt? Share below. Here's your action plan. First, plant a row of native shrubs, connect local green spaces. Second, join a tree planting group to restore barren land. Third, use motion sensor lights to reduce nighttime glare. Fourth, support organizations protecting marine habitats. Fifth, lobby for solar and wind energy in your community. These steps boost species resilience, making you a planet healer. Nature's innovators inspire us. Let's help them thrive. Subscribe to Planet Healers, share this video, and check out books like The Beak of the Finch, or support us on Patreon to keep the series growing. Next, ecosystem functions. See you soon.